Still turning people off in conversations? Just being good at talking doesn't make you likable. But the truly likable people? Their speech patterns are different. I'll share with you the 7 secrets to winning people's hearts with your words. Apply them all, and your likability? It will skyrocket. Speak like a supporting character. There's always someone trying to be the main character in conversations. But in reality, supporting characters are the ones people like the most. Why? Because people prefer those who listen, not just talk. When you only talk about yourself, the mood just dies. It becomes exhausting. Give good reactions and listen well. Your likability will soar. Conversation is like playing catch. Conversations are like playing catch. When someone tries to talk to you, look them in the eye, put down your phone. Don't throw too many balls at once. If you throw 3 or 4 balls at once, they'll just run away halfway. Look the other person in the eye and take turns speaking. Show empathy, not criticism. Don't criticize what can't be changed. Criticizing someone's hair color? That'll ruin the relationship. Instead of, "It looks worse," "Wow, that's a bold look, but I think you'd look even better in this." Empathy over facts. Facts aren't everything. If a friend wears something that doesn't suit them, don't say, "That looks terrible." Instead, try, "Hey, I see your new outfit. It's cool, but I think you'd look amazing in something like this." Words are less about facts, more about how you make people feel. Familiarity breeds affection. Seeing someone often creates real affection. That's the Zajonc Effect. Studies show the more you see someone's face, the more you'll like them. If there's someone you like, find ways to bump into them often. Humility makes you smart. These days, brains are the new sexy. Ever heard of sapiosexuality? Knowledge should be wide and shallow, and shared humbly. Say, "I don't know much about this, just some basic info." It shows smart humility. Control the environment with early arrival. You get nervous in unfamiliar places, right? Here's the trick. Arrive 15 minutes early. By arriving first, you get a chance to adjust and take control. If the other person is late, you've still got the environment under your control. Start small with requests. Asking, "Will you go on a date with me?" is too much for the first interaction. "How about a coffee?" is a much easier offer. Start small, then naturally escalate. This strategy works in marketing too. Free samples lead to purchases. Speaking is a habit. People who attract others speak in a way that pulls them in. Your speech patterns? They can be changed. Start practicing today. Your words can move someone's heart. I'm changing too, and you can too. Let's stick to it together.